Fix Windows fingerprint reader not working. 1. Install/uninstall the latest Windows update. 2. Remove and reset up your fingerprint reader. 3. Change your PIN. 4. Update your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Turn off the save power mode for USB ports. 6. Ensure biometrics is enabled. Add computer configuration administrative templates Windows components biometrics. Note, enable allow users to log on using biometrics and allow domain users to log on using biometrics. 7. Turn off Windows Fast Startup in Control Panel. 8. Remove and reinstall the fingerprint software.